Deforestation, globalization, industrialization, and the path of development has taken a big toll on the environment. There are several companies which are working towards net zero mission to combat climate changes. Myself, Anand Sundaraj, founder CEO at Route 369 Lab, me and my team are working to combat climate change by using nature's own resources. Air Fountain, a sleek structure which stands around 10 feet tall and 4 feet of width, captures or have a potential to capture around 2+ tons of carbon dioxide. And it also has a byproduct which is biomass, which can be traded further to different category of industries like biodiesel, biofuel, biochar, pharmaceuticals and cosmetics and several others. With Air Fountain, our vision is to capture the pollution or the carbon from the source itself. These are tiny small units which will be installed in urban places, city areas and other industrial areas, and to capture the carbon from the source point itself. Air Fountain also has a big potential where it can have a big initiation towards the effect to climate change concept. Air Fountain works with a long-term vision where our vision is to reverse the effect of mining, and we have named this as demining. For the demining process, there will be smaller units right from 2 feet to 100 feet to 500 feet tall depending on the customization. But we want everybody to join this momentum, to join the demining effect, whatever has happened with our mining effect. And then when we all come together, connect as a team together, whether it's a small individual, a real estate, a industrialization, a urban area or other places, etc., where everybody can come together and support us for this mission and momentum of demining. Because with Air Fountain, we not only protect our present, but we are here to work for our future on Earth.